Hello, my name is Bianco. In this video we will have a look at a 4-prong flash hider. This item is from KAK. That's the packaging. It's a simple polymer bag. It's the KAK 4-prong flash hider. This one is a bit longer than usual flash hiders. We see that already. So that is basically designed for shorter bottle to pin and weld. That's why we have there the hole for the pin and then the weld that goes on top of it to bring them up to the currently legal 16 inches in USA. That's why I got that. So basically it is now on the bottle, the EDL bottle, 13.9 inch length. I did make a video about that before, and some of you did ask me what kind of flash hider I gonna use. Now I just screwed that on by hand, and finish. It's not aligned yet or timed, or nor it has the crush washer behind there, the washer. So I just put it on quick to show how that looks on the muzzle, and we're gonna take it off in a minute as well. So first negative that we have, because it's a 4-prong design, it has a ping. So as we hit it with a with a metal or a shoot, it's quite likely gonna ping. So we have that problem. I'm gonna check what we can do about it, because we have here that groove that goes all around. I may put a wire around there, a simple twisted steel wire. I did already check that should dampen the ping quite a bit, if not completely. Some manufacturer simply shorten the ends of the prongs. Doesn't matter if you have 3 prongs or 4 prongs, that they are not all the same length, and that prevent the ringing, they say. I never had that. Optically it looks a bit strange, but anyways, that would be the second option, because 1 prong of course gonna be as long as needed to get to the 16 inches length, and only the others would be milled a bit shorter, we see. So it's made out of steel with how it looks, parkerized finish. Really well done, the machining. I don't see much problems. There we have the hole again for the pin and weld if you want to do so. The overall length is 2.7-ish inches, so that is already quite longer than a regular standard flash hider. We have a 4-prong design, and we see they did not simply mill it in a cross, but a bit angled. And we hear already the ding there again. It's amazing how easy that dings. So machining really well done. There's not much we can say about it. The finish too, of course it's gonna get painted afterward anyhow, in either Alumahide 2 from Brownells, or in a camouflage paint that is basically a rattle can. We see, I don't know yet, but yeah, that's for that build. Then about the length, I did try that out with a 15-inch free float. That is too long, so we need like 12 to 12.5, 12.75-inch free float for that bottle length, so that looks optically a bit decent. The 15-incher would have covered a little bit of the flash hider. I mean, if you want to have that look, go for it, but for me, the flash hider needs to be free of the free float. So yeah, all in all, for the price, for sure great. And because of the current situation in USA, many did ask about the shorter R15 that are still qualified as a rifle length as of now in USA, and that's one of the solution, either 14.5 barrel with pin and weld, or a 13.9, and that is the shorter option. The longer option I did already test out, and I'm gonna see a bit want to test a bit how the difference is, if we get a benefit of the longer flash hider by the muzzle flash compared to a relative regular one on the longer barrel. So it's always a bit about testing and trying out, and that's one of the reasons why I'm here in USA as a free human and not anymore in the horrible conditions over in Switzerland. So that much about the KAK 4-prong flash hider, pin and weld.